Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn the trick to multiply any number by 5. So to multiply any number by 5, the first thing is that when you are multiplying by 5, it is very easy, especially when you are multiplying two numbers. The first thing you do is to divide the actual number you are multiplying with 5 by 2, which you see an example here that will give us 11. And the next step is to add 0 or you multiply the number by 10. That is the answer. But why does this work? The first thing is that when you are multiplying by 5, 5 can also be written as 10 divided by 2, and that's why we divided by 2 and we multiply by 5. But this one works if the number you are dividing with is not divisible by 2. So for example, 37 divided by multiplied by 5, so pro method won't work. But don't worry, you have already learned how to multiply digits by 5, especially those digits that goes evenly. Make sure you subscribe for more math tricks like this to speed up your math calculations. If 2 doesn't go evenly in the number you are multiplying with 5, the thing to do, the first thing is to split the number into 2. I may just remove 1 from it. So we have 92 plus 1, which will give us 93. So we have an even number. That means that's divisible by 2, right? So don't worry about the 1 here. We'll come to that later. So the next step is to divide the number you get, which is 92 here, divided by 2. That will give us 46, and 1 here, because we are going to use the half of it, which is 0.5. Just add 0.5 with the number you get from previously. That will give us 46.5, and you just multiply it by 10, or you shift decimal point to the right one time, and that is the correct answer. So try to solve the question from the previous slide and 2 more questions, and check with the calculator if you get the correct answer. You want to multiply any 3-digit number by 5. Let's look at the one that 2 can go evenly with, which we have 434 here, which you actually divide it by 2 and you multiply it by 10. But for the one that 2 doesn't go evenly with, what are we going to do? It's the same as the last one. We split into 2. 3876 plus 1 will give us 877. We have an even number, so we divide that number we get by 2. We get 438, and we use the half of 1, which we had together. We get 483.5, and we multiply, or we shift decimal point to the left side one time. I will get the correct answer, which is 877 times 5 will give us 4,387. So try and solve these questions and check and leave answer in the comment section below. What are you going to do if you want to multiply 5 digits, 6 digits, 70 digits, or more digits by 5? The first thing is that let's think about this in 2 slides. So the first one is any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Like you see the example there, the first thing you are going to do is divide that number by 2, and the next step is to actually add 0 to the numbers, the answer you get, which is that right there. The second part is any numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 is to actually subtract 1 from it, and you divide the number by 2, while also you add 0.5. Then after doing that, just shift decimal point to the left side, or you multiply by 10, because it's the same thing, and you get the correct answer. So try and solve many of these questions without even using any calculator or any hand or fingers. That's the end of the video. Goodbye, and up to next time. See you.